It's cleanup time in the garden. I gotta get all of these weeds out of this area, get all of these dead mustard greens and collard greens out, and get ready to plant something else in this area for the spring and summer. And get busy cleaning out these garden beds. Harvesting the good greens and getting rid of the bad greens. Tilling the soil, getting it ready to plant some seeds over here. I think I'm gonna put my peppers over here, my tomatoes over here, some of my okra, and I think I'm gonna do my watermelon and cantaloupe over in this area. Let me get ready for my spring sowing seeds and planting my transplants over here that's grown. Okay, let's get busy.